Kenny from Sound Deluxe here. We're doing our new kit on a two-door Bronco. This is going to be the 21 and up for the new body style Bronco. It's going to be a complete kit for the doors. Get your door panel off, stick it, and enjoy the sound dampening. Alright, so here we have the negative battery terminal disconnected. It's a 10mm bolt on the top right here. You'll just loosen that up. It doesn't need to be removed all the way. You'll pull up your negative terminal, and then we like to put microfiber or rag down to insulate it so it doesn't touch it while you're working on it. Once that's all done, you can start the removal of your interior. So this is going to be removal of the door panel on the new body style two-door Bronco. You can see we already have the door panel off. I'll just mock up and put it on real quick. As you can see, these right here, there's two depressions that you push in, and the clips will open up here and here, and this will just unclip. Very simple. Here as well, you have your sensor. There's two 7mm here and here that you'll unbolt. Sensor will come off. Use a panel removal tool and unclip these plugs. You get your harness down there like that. If the panel was on, as you can see right here, you're gonna get a panel tool and release this area here, and it will also reveal two 7mm there, and then you'll have a couple 7mm down at the bottom, two here and one here, so three at the bottom and two at the top, and then you'll also release this inner area, revealing a 7mm behind this right there. So once those are all off, you'll unclip from the bottom and lift straight up, and that's it. So once you have your door panel off and your harness removed and everything, you'll see you have a vapor barrier. You can peel that off and discard it. We're not going to be using that anymore. It's pretty simple. You just unstick it just like that, throw it in the trash. Kenny with Sound Deluxe here, doing our installation of the new SoundSkins kit for the two-door new body style Bronco. We have our door kit right here, and we have our door already prepped and ready to go. Basically, for prep on the door, you're going to remove your sensor here. I highly advise to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery first. Get your sensor pulled here, the plugs that keep the wire harness on. That's basically all you have to do for your wire harness prep. And then you'll have your door cable here, which is the first start, is going to fit it around in this area here, like so. And what's really going to be crucial is, because this surface here shines through the door panel, you're going to want to make sure you line this up very good. So center the holes the best that you can, and that should be what you'll need to do to make sure that you don't see any SoundSkins once the door panel is put back on through this little painted surface right here. So like always, we want to start with removing that top layer of backing and sticking it to it, centering it on the holes that you have here, and that way everything will be centered. And then you'll lift up like so and peel the rest of the backing off. Another really good tip to get the backing off of this is to lay it flat on the floor, like so, and it really helps out removing the backing in one piece versus a whole bunch of little tears. So we get it to about this point right here, and then you're going to want to feed that door cable through just like such, and center it on your holes there and there. Lightly tack it. You should be all good like that. Get this top edge nice and locked down. And then you can lift it up, peel off the rest of the backing. Make sure you get your cable through there as well, and then just seal it all down by hand. Once you're all done with that, you can go ahead and reverse and put the door panel back on. So here we have the floor kit for the two-door Bronco. It comes as one piece and there's really no way to get this out unless you make a relief cut right here. It's not going to be seen or anything because the console covers all of this. So you can cut it right here or on the other side if you like, and that will allow you to slide this whole kit out. There's just a couple of keepers that you'll remove and then the whole kit will slide out once the interior is completely removed. So again, you're going to want to make a relief cut right here or in the center to get this kit out. All right. How you doing, guys? This is Kenny with Sound Deluxe coming to you with our newest kit for the two-door new body style Bronco. We spent a lot of time engineering this kit, so it should make a significant improvement on road noise, okay? So we'll start here. We did the full floor section here. We did center console as well. And then of course we did the rear section also. You can see this thing is fully done up back there. You're gonna have to remove the whole interior. It's not too difficult. You have some basic tools. You'll be able to pull it all out. It's pretty basic. Everything snaps in. Once the interior is all out, you make sure your floor is all clean and prepped like all the rest of our kits. And you'll start peeling and sticking and laying everything down. A couple of things you'll have to do is just pull up some of these wire keepers here. Pretty simple. Same with the back. You lift these up and then you scoot it right underneath. Once all that's done, you got everything laid back down again. You'll put your interior back in and your floor plugs back as well. And you should be good to go. One thing to note before you start taking your upholstery apart or any of the interior, is you're going to want to disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. So that's priority one. If you do that, you won't throw any codes or any airbag lights or any of that stuff will not go on. A couple little areas you'll have to pick up some of the wire looms, but other than that, it's a pretty simple install, okay? So hope you guys enjoy, and I know it's going to make a significant difference on road noise for you.